My hair is tangled. My hair is tangled.
Brush it carefully. Brush it carefully.
My bed is unmade. My bed is unmade.
Make the bed. Make the bed.
My lamp won't turn on. My lamp won't turn on.
Check the bulb or plug. Check the bulb or plug.
My shoes don't fit. My shoes don't fit.
Try another pair. Try another pair.
My shoelace is broken. My shoelace is broken.
Replace it with a new one. Replace it with a new one.
My bread is moldy. My bread is moldy.
Throw it away. Throw it away.
My bike tire is flat. My bike tire is flat.
Pump it up or replace the tube. Pump it up or replace the tube.
My phone is out of battery. My phone is out of battery.
Charge it. Charge it.
My phone screen is cracked. My phone screen is cracked.
Use a screen protector or get it repaired. Use a screen protector or get it repaired.
My shirt button is missing. My shirt button is missing.
Sew a new button. Sew a new button.
My milk is expired. My milk is expired.
Throw it away. Throw it away.
My pants are too tight. My pants are too tight.
Wear something more comfortable. Wear something more comfortable.
My knife is dull. My knife is dull.
Sharpen it with a knife sharpener. Sharpen it with a knife sharpener.
My bathroom floor is wet. My bathroom floor is wet.
Wipe it dry. Wipe it dry.
My water bottle is empty. My water bottle is empty.
Refill it with water. Refill it with water.
My garden needs water. My garden needs water.
Water the plants. Water the plants.
My book is torn. My book is torn.
Tape the pages or bind it again. Tape the pages or bind it again.
My curtains are stuck. My curtains are stuck.
Check the curtain rod. Check the curtain rod.
My fingernail polish is chipped. My fingernail polish is chipped.
Reapply or remove it. Reapply or remove it.
My pillowcase is stained. My pillowcase is stained.
Wash it with detergent. Wash it with detergent.
My chair is wobbly. My chair is wobbly.
Tighten the screws. Tighten the screws.
My tea is cold. My tea is cold.
Reheat it. Reheat it.